Well, hello. It is um, me again, Mrs. Alvegard. We are going to be talking about unit pricing, which I think this is how I'm going to become a millionaire, is because I've been unit pricing my whole life. So this is Chapter 6, Lesson 3, Unit Pricing. We're going to determine the unit price on items. If we know how much it is for one unit, we can compare it across the board and see which one is the better deal. Many items come in different sizes. What do you consider when deciding which size to buy? Um, Sometimes the big deal at my house is the mayonnaise. We don't need a gallon of mayonnaise um, because nobody should be eating that much mayonnaise, especially if there's only 4 of you. So it doesn't make, even though it's cheaper to buy for per unit, per ounce of mayonnaise, it's cheaper to buy a big old gallon of it from the big box store. It is better for our family to spend a little bit more and buy the smaller size. So we'll be looking at other things, because not just price comes into factor here. Grocery stores often give the unit price for their products. You can find it next to the price. It's small, so you have to lean in to look, but most grocery stores that I've been to give a unit price for their products. Unit pricing is a technique that allows shoppers to compare the prices of various items. Use this information to determine which size of the product is the best buy based on price. So you guys are going to have to set aside the other random reasons you would buy different sizes of things, and we are just focusing on which is the best buy based on price. So the unit price formula is price of the item divided by the measure or the count. So is it 64 ounces? Is it 17 cookies? Or in this case, we're going to look at paper plates. There are 55 paper plates in our packaging. We can buy it for $1.10. So if we divide 1.10, get my calculator out so I can do that. 1.10 divided by 55, we see that the unit price is $0.02 per plate. Okay, let's continue on. Shane purchased 64-ounce container of orange juice for $3.49, a 2-liter bottle of bleach for $1.99, and a dozen ears of sweet corn for $3.50. What is the unit price of each item to the nearest tenth? So the first one we're going to do is we're going to take $3.49 and divide that by 64. I always say it like this: money is on the top. Money goes first in the calculator. Money is the king of our consumer math class. Like, money is the king, so he goes in first. He's always on top. So $3.49 divided by 64. 49 cents divided by 64. And we get $0.0545 per ounce, and it wants us to round to the nearest tenth of a cent. So pay close attention. That means we are going to go 3 past the decimal. So it's 0, 5, and then 5 is the third one, but it was a 4, but because 5 was before it, it rounds up. So we're going a little bit beyond what we normally round to, and usually we round to the nearest penny. We're going 1 beyond the penny. All right, let's look at the bleach. It's $1.99 for 2 liters. We divide that 1.99 by 2, and we get $0.995 per liter. $3.50 for 12 ears of corn. We divide 3.50 by 12, and we get 0.29166 repeater, and we are going to round to the nearest tenth of a cent. So go to the penny and go 1 beyond. We're going to round. 1 is either going to stay 1 or it's going to round up. Because we have the 6, it rounds up to 2. Okay, let's do those calculations together on our concept check. 5.4 pounds of chicken costs $5.25. Remember, money is king. We're going to go 5.25 divided by 4.5. And in our calculator, let's do that. Divided by 4.5. And we get 1.166. We're going to round to this second 6 here. And because the 6 is behind him, he's going to round up. It's 1.167 dollars per pound. Okay, a 20-count package of plastic storage bag is $2.29. We're going to divide that by 20. Those plastic storage bags. It's 0.1145. We're going to round to this 4 because the 5 is right behind him. It's going to round up to 5, so 0.115. And that is dollars per bag. So it's like 11 cents per bag to buy a plastic bag. Okay, you guys go ahead and take a pause this. Do the practice assignment that I've given you. Come back here once you're done and check your answers. Make sure you show your work or I'm not going to give you credit. There's a bit of multiplying and dividing. Make sure that's on your paper. All right, and have a great day.